Scripted program. I hate so much annoying, parang masyadong predictable. So this is just a celebration of the first visit of our phenomenal Gigi Delano in Vancouver. So just a brief background. When I found out that they're going to Seattle the first time, I really went there to see for myself how the show is going. And believe it or not, I'm super pintasera when it comes to production. So I was impressed, and I was so proud that she became so popular not just because of the sensation on YouTube or on social media. It's not a hype. Talagang magaling po siya in the band. Talagang palakpakan po natin ng Gigi Vibes. Kilala ko po yung isang musikero dyan na alam mo naman po malapit ako sa mga musikero sa Pilipinas. But I really thank you po sa lahat ng sponsors natin. That everybody was able to make it. I would like to welcome our co-producers from Toronto, John. Producers from Winnipeg, Winnipeg, and also the beautiful wife of John. Thank you so much for coming. Our very generous co-presenters po ng ating Gigi, Rita Gigi, live in Vancouver. Palakpakan po natin ang napakabait. Sponsors like Marlon Perez, Investment Property, there he is. And isa pa pong napakagaling na realtor, parehong guwapo, si Dino! And kasi ito ng lovely wife po sa hotel, pinuluyan mo ng ating mga artists. Si Dennis. Japon na rin kung bakit tayo naka-check-in sa Executive Plaza. Ikaw? And who else? Of course, ang ating taga-SMDC! Yes! Our Rangers ng SMDC! Yes! Salamat po sa inyong sponsorship at suporta. And, syempre, pakikilala po natin yung isa pa natin sponsor that you wouldn't want to miss. Totoo. Like, walang bola po. Kasi, kilala niyo ako. Pag nag-bola ako, patay sa spirits, right? But then, it's really a very good show, worth all the money that you can pay. And then, I'd like to close also ating host and special guest for tomorrow. He flew in all the way from Guam. Otherwise, host at a special guest tomorrow. So we are star-studded tomorrow. May awa po ang Diyos. We will fill area to the brim. Sineclaim po namin yan. At maraming salamat sa mga sponsors, and we will see you tomorrow. But meanwhile, would like to have some few words from our very special guests. syempre pakikinggan po rin natin muna yung ating mga napakagagaling na musikero. Say something, is this your first time in Vancouver?
Hello po. Ako po si Peter. Dati po akong artista, nagbanda na po ako ngayon. Mas malaki kita dito. Ako po si Jake Manalo po, bahista po ng GG Vibes at saka dancer din. Sapol! Para surprise. Ito po si,
Hello po, good evening. Ako po si Don Romeo. Hello guys, my name is Don Romeo. I'm the drummer of the G Vibes, and I hope we enjoy our concert for tomorrow. Don't miss everyone. Walang taxi.
Babalik ka pa ba? Bukas na.
Ay, magandang gabi po. Ako po si Sezwan. Sana mag-enjoy po tayo bukas lahat.
Magandang gabi po. Ako po si Oyos, ang gitarista ng GG Vibes. Maraming salamat po sa mga sumuporta ng show na po. Sana po, magustuhan niyo yung gagawin namin bukas. Sasayaw po kami. Maraming salamat po.
Nga po pala sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, ang very first lead guitarist po ng GG Vibes. Pwede ba magpapicture?
Ito po si Kuya Well. Kuya Well.
Gusto ko lang po mag-thank you sa pagbigay po sa amin ng sinigang, ng steak, ng coke, ng tubig, tsaka po ng halaman. Binigay po sa akin ito, iuwi ko daw. Salamat po. Anyway, Grand Kitchen, maraming salamat po. And sobrang sarap po ng food nyo. Maraming salamat po sponsor ng gabing to. And everyone, I just want you to be happy. So I hope you enjoy tomorrow sa show namin. Let's just enjoy and have fun and enjoy. And have fun! Kidding aside, I love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting our concert, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
And of course, we'd like to thank the following. Kailangan po natin pagditin to at sila po ay tumulong sa atin. Ang ating mga co-producers, Stage Nova Entertainment Productions, Marvin Capito, Great Canadian Solutions Productions, Drums Productions, AAA Entertainment, JE Entertainment, MJ Productions, Magmate Entertainment. And the following po in alphabetical order, para walang magselos. Siyempre, co-presented po tayo. Paradigm, Optical. Ang Optical po ng mga celebrities. O, diba? And then, of course, Vector Fritz. Alisa Essential Beauty Med Spa. Yan po, meron po tayong raffle draw tomorrow. Avalon, nagustuhan niyo ba yung floral arrangement? Kakaiba, diba? That's by Avalon Florist. Very popular po siya dito as event, din siya, stylist. Yes. Cold Prints and Signs, Kahong Pilipino. Yan. Dale's Food Products. Magitikman niyo po yung kanilang garlic chili oil. Ang sarap-sarap. East Life Financial Services. Ito pong East Life Financial Services, hindi lang siya nag-sponsor. Siya rin po ang ating official carrier, driver, vehicle, ni Gigi. And then kanyang management. Yan po, Roel
basta bibili.
Oh, yeah!
Di ba? Kasi inalok na natin eh. Kailangan.
Bili na po kayo kasi alam mo namin
Yan!
Tsaka special po yan, galing po sa balat ng pusa.
Pagwawalang hipo na lang